If you're using Facebook for business, you know the biggest frustration isn't content, it's finding the right audience. Are you tired of high advertising costs but low efficiency? Are you wasting time trying to manually identify exactly who your ideal customer is? The core truth in marketing is data list equals money, but to make money, you need a precise list. Hello, marketers and entrepreneurs. Welcome back to my channels. I'm Huang Mamba Tools. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. Today, we're going to dive into the most powerful feature of MKT UID, our specialized software for analyzing and aggregating potential customer data on Facebook. The ability to scan Facebook group members and export that goldmine into a usable file. Let's be honest, Facebook groups are full of potential customers, but manually checking each profile, clicking member lists, and trying to collect data is impossible. You can't do it by hand, and most people simply give up, even though the group has the exact audience they need. Let me show you how easy it is. Step 1. Locate the target communities on Group Facebook. Step 2. Paste the link of the Facebook group you want to scan. The software is designed to scan the UID or user ID of users who participate in the group. Step 3. Click Start Scan. You'll see the software automatically loading member data one by one extremely fast. Step 4. After the scan is complete, click Export. What do you do once you possess this proprietary, unique data file? This is where the MKT ecosystem shines, allowing you to maximize the value of your collected UIDs. 1. Direct engagement. MKT Care. You can integrate this exported UID list directly into MKT Care, our automated Facebook account nurturing software. This allows your marketing profiles to automatically send friend requests to the scanned UIDs or send messages directly to those specific UIDs. 2. Targeted outreach. You can use this file to spam comments or posts to introduce your products or services, ensuring you are reaching the right profile, the right audience, the right target. 3. Cross-platform marketing. If you need to transition this interaction off Facebook, MKT UID data can be subsequently converted to phone numbers or SDT, which you can then use with tools like MKT WhatsApp to connect, send group invites, or even perform telesales. By using MKT UID to find and export your customer data, you can save 80% of advertising costs. MKT UID works using normal browser simulation and safe scraping methods. It does not hack accounts, does not break into private information, and only extracts publicly visible data. Your Facebook account remains safe and protected. Click the link below in the description for a free demo or contact us on Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.